How to reply to comments in a story on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily reply to a comment on Instagram story. So let's just jump right in. So the very first thing you want to do here is make sure that you open up Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to go ahead and find a post or find a comment that you want to reply to on your story. So I'll just go over to the comment section of this post, and then I can just go ahead and find a comment. So I'll just long press on this comment, and then you can find this option to add to story. So just go ahead and tap on it, and you can also tap on reply with a reel, but I'll just show you guys how you can add this to your story and then reply to it. So as you can see here, I have this comment on my story. Now if you want to reply to it, you could just go ahead and tap on it and then simply reply to it however you would like. Right behind it is the reel itself as well, so you can your people or your followers can see the reel as well. Then you can reply to it however you would like. So I'll just type in something like this, tap on done, and then you can just go ahead and post it to your story by tapping your story. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.